Hey guys, if you like what you're seeing, keep watching this video till the end and I'm gonna teach you exactly how I did it, alright. In this video tutorial you're gonna learn how to get unlimited coins on Webtoon, and it's gonna be very easy. Now if you are in an iOS device, to get the coins there is a couple of settings that you need to change on your phone just to prepare it for the installation of the extension that gives you all the free coins. But if you are on Android, then there is no settings that you need to change, so Android users can skip to the part where I open the browser and show you where to get all these free coins. So I'm gonna start by showing you all the settings that need to be changed on the iOS device, and then we will learn together how to get the coins. So firstly, make sure that your orientation is locked just like this. Once you've locked orientation, you need to go to settings, and once you are on the main settings, you need to find the general settings tab, and when you're here, go to background app refresh and make sure that background app refresh is turned on. For me it's on already, but if it's off for you, if it says background app refresh off, you need to tap on it and then tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn it on. So this is all the settings that you need to change on your iOS device, and if you are on Android, now is the time that you should start following this tutorial because the steps are the same on both devices. So next is that you need to open your browser, and once you're here, to get everything added on your account, you can either go on the featured apps and start looking for Webtoon, or you can scroll down until you find the app, or you can go to the search bar and start typing Webtoon, and you're gonna see this Webtoon showing up over here, and this is the extension that gives you everything on your account. You're gonna get unlimited coins, so you need to tap on it, and then you need to tap on the button to basically start downloading and installing Webtoon on your phone. Now for the installation to be successfully completed, you will be redirected in a new window where you need to complete a couple of more steps which are very well explained, and then once you complete these extra steps, only then you'll be able to get Webtoon on your phone. I'm gonna go on and show you these steps and how to complete them to get everything added on your Webtoon account. So here we are, I'm almost there, and this is the last stage. It says here that we need to actually go on, let me just show you. We need to download two apps from the list here to get Webtoon coins. So you need to install two apps or complete two offers from the list below to get the extension that gives you all the free coins. So I'm gonna start by choosing one of the apps from the list, and let me see which one do I want to choose. I'll go with this IRL social calendar because in the instructions it simply says that I need to download the app, install it, and then start planning on the app. So let me fast forward this part of the video while I download this app, install it, and then use it for a while. Alright, I'm gonna do that at this very moment, and I'm gonna fast forward. Another thing I should mention is that depending on the country you're watching this video from, and depending on the platform being Android or iOS, you might get different apps to download with different instructions, so don't worry if you don't see the apps that are on my verification window. Once you're done with the first app, you need to go back to the browser and choose the second app. In my case, I'm gonna choose this crypto.com app because in the instructions it simply says that I need to download the app, install it, and then sign up for an account on crypto.com. So I'm gonna fast forward this part of the video one more time while I download the second app, install it, and then sign up for an account. So once you're done with both apps, the last app is the easiest of them all, because all you need to do next is that you need to go back to your Webtoon account to see if you're gonna get all the coins added or not, and I'm gonna do the same thing right now. So let me go back to Webtoon at this very moment. Since I have completed the verification step, I'm gonna go back to my profile over here, and we're gonna see together if I'm gonna get any coins added or not. Alright, so I'm on the account at this very moment. Let's just wait here and see what's gonna happen. So as you can see, I'm getting all the coins added on my account. And guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't hesitate to go and try it yourself to get unlimited coins. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.